Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to another session of analysis on Bank Nifty with Catalyst Trading Institute. Friends, it was an interesting day that we saw in the market today, right? It was interesting for various reasons, right? First thing, we had a stop loss. We had record number of participants who had joined us for the training, the live session today, right? We had 93 members up. To trade in front of them is fun, right? Gradually people are increasing from 20. We started with 25, 30, then scaled up to 40, 50, then 60, 70s for some time. Yesterday we had 80, today we had 93, right? We hope to see more and more people coming in and learn with us, right? We hope to see multiple people coming in and learn with us. Now, from a trade standpoint, right, I was expecting this level to actually hold good, right? And if you see, this was a reversal candle, but again, enough selling candles were not there, right? At this trend line, I had taken a put trade which hit the stop loss. If you see, there is a trend line which is a liquidity, right? We took the stop loss humbly, right? That was my first hero zero trade. The reason for that, you can go to my YouTube live channel and see, I have explained it in detail, right? All components were bearish, everything was bearish. Axis Bank was bullish and VIX was not rising. These were the only two reasons, right? Rest everything was in favor. Now, once this trade failed, it went up, right? In 5 minutes chart, if you see, there were a couple of good trades that we got, right? One was this trade for retest, the other one was here, right, where people made from 25 to 39. So all the stop losses that we had given got covered here. Then once the market went up, we actually took a call trade where the call value doubled, right? Out of 4 trades that were discussed live, 3 were successful, one was a failure, right? Which is okay, which happens. In broadcast, we gave another trade in the morning, which gave bumper returns, right? So out of 5, 1 trade was a failure, 4 were successful. Everyone enjoyed today's session. It was a tough monthly expiry, guys. The reason why I say tough is, as soon as Europe opened, the Germany news came out, there was a flash fall in the market, right? But today, remember, it was monthly expiry, right? Our monthly expiry is always traded basis the positions people have created in the market. So that positions have been taken care. Now, if I look at the daily chart, right, do I see any signs of bullishness or bearishness? This is actually gonna confuse everyone. The reason I say it is gonna confuse is very simple. For 7 days, it consolidated in a range, then it broke down. Today, it has again taken a support and going up, right? For tomorrow, the trade plan is very simple. Any move below 43, 540, you short it for these targets. Now this time this one may not act as a support, right? Your target one should be 43 420, your target 2 should be going to 43 280, right? Now upside, right? So if there's a gap up opening near this trend line, if there is a gap up near this trend line, you actually short it, right, at 43 729. But if it's a flat opening, you will have to be ready both the sides to take trade any side. And gap down opening will make it tricky, but the moment these levels are taken out, the moment 43 570 is taken out, you start preparing for these levels, right? Looking at the global scenario, it looks like bears will attack. This was a move to help the option sellers exit their quantity for the monthly expiry. It's a rollover. You don't know what exactly has happened there, right? Now we try and understand. So spot is giving us limited clues. Let's look at the charts of the component to get sense, right? So axis clearly is bullish. Axis, let me start with HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank gave a good recovery, but it recovered from its support. Is it out of the woods? The answer is no. In my opinion, if it starts trading below 1604, you could see a correction till 1576. Tomorrow is Friday. People stay light because the positions, you don't try to make big positions. I personally feel tomorrow will be grinding, right? Again, ICICI was at its support, but again tomorrow below 934 you could see a fall till 923, right? Personally, for me, everyone has made a hammer because of recovery in the end. But again, these are monthly rollovers, right? So you cannot say anything, right? I am sitting neutral for HDFC and ICICI. The bank which was bullish for me was Axis Bank, which again, if you draw a trend line, is now looking very, very bullish. Guys, this is looking very, very good because actually, if you see, at the trend line resistance. It's giving a very good consolidation. Any move above 925, it could start touching 940 and 967 levels. This could become a good swing trade. The other one which looked weak in the first half and then gave a swift recovery, right, was Kotak Bank. Let me just pull up the chart of Kotak. So this gave a swift recovery. I was waiting for this breakdown, right? So Kotak also now, right, is formed an inside bar. I wait for 1939 or 1907. Either side it breaks will give a good move. It is neutral. So guys, based on the recovery, right, you see that most of the charts are neutral. Axis Bank is looking bullish. SBI is looking bullish. SBI has formed a nice, so there was a big red candle. None of the candle prices have been able to close below it, right? This becomes a very important candle for me to watch out for. Personally, above 583, this is looking good for the levels of 590. So SBI and Axis are looking bullish. The other banks are looking neutral. IndusInd was bullish yesterday. I think IndusInd has also supported the move upside. It's given an inside candle critically at a supply. It is holding. If it holds tomorrow, Monday onwards, this could resume its last leg of rally again, right? So friends, components morely saying that the tone could be bullish. Now let's look at the option prices, right? Now option prices, nice rounding bottom, right? So where do I enter? I will in the morning, if it opens below 2, say it opens between 231 and 251 and then breaks 256, right? I would like to take a trade for the targets of 286 and 314, right? This is 43,800 CE. Coming to PE looks dicey to me. I would ideally, I don't want a move below 257. I want a 15-minute consolidation between 286 and 257. Then it takes out 291. I will take a trade for 338. I'm again saying, guys, market is not out of the woods. Bank Nifty specifically today looks like a rollover, right, which has actually done it. Sit neutral for tomorrow. It is directionless. It can cut your SLs both sides, right? It's Friday. Go light on quantity. We have been having good day, guys. Mentors, actually, we taught a concept. They could trade it live in the market and they enjoyed the trading. For anyone who wants to know more about mentorship program, please send it to our support ID. We will provide our support ID in the description box, right? For people who have joined the Telegram channel or have not joined the Telegram channel, please go to our Telegram link. We provide a lot of calls there. We provide a lot of logics and learning, right? For people who have been seeing our YouTube videos and have not subscribed, please like, share, subscribe our channel, share it with your family members. We are nearly 947 now. We look to hit the magic number of 1000 pretty soon. With all your support, I am pretty sure we'll be able to do it in this week. Guys, thank you for your support. Thank you for your patronage. Continue watching us. And in case of any feedback or any queries, do not hesitate to send it on the comment box. Thank you so much. Once again, we will meet tomorrow. Tomorrow I may not keep a live session after 2 o'clock. There is some personal commitment that I need to look at. In case I can come live, I will try and come in the first half. Thank you very much, guys. Hope to meet you tomorrow.